India Coconut Coir Dewatering project put into operation. Coir Dewatering achieves target moisture content in one step. Meibang Coconut Coir Dewatering machine has been successfully installed, commissioned and officially put into operation at the customer's site in India. To solve the problem of high moisture content in coconut coir after washing and desalination, our supporting high-pressure double roller press is adopted for strong squeezing and dewatering. The moisture content of the discharged coir is greatly reduced, fully meeting the customer's expected standards, and has won high recognition and satisfaction from the customer.